Oh yeah!
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to do something I've actually done before in one of my very first, actually I think this was my very first wrapping video on these door handle pieces. I'll put the link, somewhere up there from when I did this. And the only reason why I'm doing this now is because I get a lot of people asking me about, how did I do it? Maybe the video that I did, the first one was, maybe not as clear. And again, also, it was like literally my first time wrapping anything is when I did these damn door handles. So this time I feel a little more confident, especially more confident with something that is as more delicate with this carbon fiber wrap, because it's a really delicate wrap that you have to do. You have to be really patient with it. And me being a little more comfortable, I'm gonna start adding it to the this door handle piece right here. Now I'm leaving this one alone, just because one, I want you guys to see on my channel when I put a post up. I want you guys to tell me which ones you guys like the most. I'm more partial to this because it's my first one. I did it. It was like actually really well. It was really well done when I did it. And I like the black and white. It kind of goes with the theme of the car. But everything, as you guys know, I got my center console, my Metra kit for my double din radio. Those are all done in this carbon fiber wrap. So, I would think the interior would just be so much better if everything was just wrapped in the carbon fiber piece. With that said, I'm gonna go through, and also maybe a little bit of a bonus one also, I'm gonna try to get my shift knob, this little metal piece here, I'm gonna try to get that as best I can wrapped in the carbon fiber. There was no way that I tried to really pull and tug, and I tried to really see if I can just take this piece off by itself. Apparently you can't, and I don't want to like really pull on it and break it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my my little blade, take one of the pieces, wrap it around, put the heat shrink on it, and just kind of dig the other, the remaining parts into these grooves as best I can. So we're gonna try to do that. And plus, it covers up some of these scuffs and just the wear and tear on the shift knob itself. Let's do this one first, since it's already here. It's already prepped and cleaned. This is already prepped and cleaned too. But this was already in front of me right now. So let's push this off to the side and let's get this other parts going. I wanted to kind of slow down here, guys, and show you, again, I'm trying to do everything in real time. That way you guys completely see what's really happening, what I'm doing, how I'm adding the pressure, how I'm adding heat to the wrap in certain areas, refolding the wrap back to be able to get rid of certain creases that develop. And, they're going to be, especially with a lot of curvy areas, like a lot of this curviness, especially with certain types of wrap, you're gonna come across certain creases like this. And the best way to do it is to either just add more heat, let it come back to its normal form, and then wrap it again, like this. get it nice and soft, pull it back out, and then, you know, just kind of rewrap it like that, and then push in those edges so that there is no crease development right there. This part anyway is going to be behind the actual handle. So a good portion of it, almost about maybe around here, a little, like maybe one out of, you know, I don't know, just this portion right here is going to be behind the handle. You're not going to really see it anyway, so you can't really escape certain creases, because like especially these edge creases, you can't really escape it. You could try and do it the best way you can, but trying to escape that completely, it's almost impossible. Again, this is just for me. I mean, you professional rappers out there may be like, yo, that's easy. But for me, when it comes to certain edges and these certain pointy creases, it's extremely, extremely hard to get those creases out, at least for me. Just adding heat, softening it up, refolding it back in. That's really all it is, y'all. When I tell y'all, y'all can do this. If I can do this, y'all can do this. Y'all already know my my views on carbon. Like, I'm not gonna add carbon to every single nook and cranny to, you know, a certain part on the car or whatever. Carbon to me really stands out when it's accented, when it's a little bit here, a little bit there, just kind of thrown throughout the car. Carbon to me is the best looking when it's thrown throughout the car. Now the best thing is just trying to get rid of some of these pieces, you know, this little overlay hanging pieces. I'm gonna hit it with some more heat, and then once I feel secure in this being placed down, chop it all off. All right, guys, and just like that, I'm done. It's like I say, it's really simple. Once you get into the groove and you start realizing how to really like finagle and move around the edges, yo, it'll be really easy. I already took the remember, this wrapping, guys, has a protective film. In hindsight, I probably should have left it on, because remember, this is your door handle. You're going to be constantly touching this. At some point, you know, you're gonna, you know, it may rub off, or it may get dirty, or it may get caught up on something. Let's say you got some rings on or something, you know, you just never know. It's, again, at the end of the day, it's just basically sticker tape. It's wrap. So it could get caught onto something, which is what happened to the other door handle. I wish I would have kept it on to show you. The one that was, this one that was wrapped in this particular wrap, already had like a few small nicks and tears in them. So that's what really essentially pushed me to get this rewrapped. So, I mean, I saw those little nicks and little, you know, non-smooth. When you rub your finger over it and you feel a little bump, like it's come off already. I was like, yo, screw it. We just take it off and put this on here. So you guys let me know what you think, man. Got the carbon fiber here. Got the sticker bomb wrap. I'll take a picture of this so you guys can leave me a comment in the on YouTube. Actually, I'm gonna leave it on YouTube. You guys tell me which ones you like the most. And we'll go from there. I'll decide whether we keep it or not. If it got enough people telling me the carbon fiber will be put on, and then I'll unwrap this one and then put that back on. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully relatively short video. Like I say, it's really quick. I'll edit it down so it's not, you know, 15-20 minutes long. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you have, please like, comment, share. If you want, please share my videos, especially something like this. I want everybody to know how to do this. If you can do this yourself, you'll save yourself a lot of money just buying the wrap yourself and wrapping it yourself. But yeah, again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Most definitely subscribe. That's the best way you can help the channel out. And like I always say, guys, love each other, be kind, be grateful, be humble, stay driven. One.